Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional. In the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, May the 6th, 2023. Yeah, today is Sunday. We don't receive any newspaper. So we have puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. And I've done three puzzles in additional. Two-star Sudoku and 4-star Sudoku. The binary I've done, and the last puzzle left for today is the Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, yes, 4 stars. Tectonic in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 63999. Yes. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16. Oh, no. 14 printed digits. 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, I do not know, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I cannot see any dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then. Do we have a triple box here or boxes in this puzzle? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, I do not know in which order. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. All right. Then the following question, do we have a quadra box as well? We have one quadra box in this puzzle. This quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shaped quadra box, is always a 5. All right. And this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, then the following, and other numbers could be everywhere, yeah. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, need to recognize. And, yeah, need to recognize. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, I do have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 then. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one shape, kind of shape. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Okay. only one shape in this puzzle here. Then the following shape, figure, structure or construction, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here, another L shape, upside down, the same shape here. And here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. By the way, here we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle, we have only 4 in this puzzle. 4 shapes that you need to recognize. Well, so I've told you why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. Let me see. Let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means, let me see, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can't be a 1 anymore, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be 4, this box can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, that means we have a double 2 here. I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. We have a double 2 also there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. But also that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 3, 3, okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or there, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes, okay. So the 5 in this area could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, but can also not be a 3. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 here or there in the same area. And it can be a 5. Yeah, we have a 5 here, so it should be a 4 here. Let me mark those 4 here, and 4 here, because it's all connected with each other. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. And now, these two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 2. So 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And the 1, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there, double 5 there. If I place a 2 here or 5 here, I cannot fill any 2 or any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. I have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place a 2 there. The only place left for the 2 in this area, I should be there. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3. Give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it being 1 should be a 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 digit left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place a 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Well, these two boxes can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. I cannot place the 1 here. This box is marked also with the 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. Well, let me see. I think this, I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We already have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box is a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and no, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Yeah, we need a 1 here. Alright, let me mark those. Then 2, 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, if you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So definitely a 4 then. Alright. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 5. Alright. We need a 1 in this area. On 1. Well, those two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. 2 and a 5, we already have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes. It'll be the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Let me see. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. I should be there. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. I should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1 and 2. 3 is missing. Then. Here also 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5 are missing. Okay. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well, let me think. 2 and a 3. Okay. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3. Well. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. And in this area, we have 1 number left, the number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 3. Need to wait. Alright. This box can be a 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. Well. These two boxes can be a 3, and those two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be there, and the 2 goes here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Well, quicker than 20 minutes, so it's not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will see together. We will see you tomorrow. Yeah, on Monday. So until then, bye bye for now.